Alexa hobby room on. Whoa! Look at that. Let there be light, suckers.
Please try that again.
Alexa, stop. Hello. I'm back. It's been 2 weeks. Time to upload that new video because I have nothing else to do. So, really quick here, I am hard pressed at work on my new kit. This is the GM. I only got the legs right now. The GM custom. I forgot what it's called. Let me pull up the manual for a second. The GM Guard Custom. This is what I'm working on next. I was gonna work on a Quibbly, but there's a competition. Oh shit! Let me take some water. In my Facebook group, there's a build off that I don't even know how many are competing. Probably just me and like 3 more people, but whatevs. But like I said, I was gonna work on my Quibbly, but you know, I decided to work on. I decided to work on. It's more like I decided that I wanted to maybe compete on this build off. So that's what I'm doing. So far, it's not looking pretty good because I only got 2 weeks left, and I'm one of those builders that take like 9 years to build this kit, and this is all I got right there. Just the chest, nothing else. But it looks pretty cool, right? I don't know if this is gonna if I'm gonna be able to finish this, but at least I'm making an effort. I not heavily modified, more like added some details on this kit. How did I do that? I'm gonna show you guys really quick how I do stuff like this. Like originally these vents are not here, right? And that part right there and this little bump right there was not there. How I do that, I just scribe a little bit of lines, and then I add in some plot plates like this. I don't know if people could see this right there. Oh, it's a little dark in here. Let me brighten this up a little bit. Boom, boom, right there. So what I would do is, let me show you an example that is not primed. There's one right here. So like this one here, all I did to give it like a raised effect is I scribed a little bit of a ridge right there. I don't even know if I'm using my English right, but whatever. And then I would put a plot plate on top of it right there, so to give it more like a somewhat separation effect on it right there. And I also bought some 3D details at USA Gundam store, like these things right here. That's how I am able to add some details into this kit. I have a whole bunch. See, I got a lot. That's how I am doing it. Now the problem with adding details on your kit is painting it. So I don't know how I'm gonna add how I'm gonna paint this. I'm probably gonna have to either hand paint it, like these parts here, or masking. But I'm probably gonna hand paint it because I hate masking. So that's what I'm working on. I'm also kit bashing this GM with this kit here. I bought this in an auction. I don't know what kit this is, but it looks pretty cool. I just can't use this kit because it's a GM build off, so I'm just taking it apart. So the sad part about this kit is when whoever was the one that put this thing together is they started gluing it. So it gave me a hard time breaking this thing down. Like, look at this part right here, it's just completely shut. I'm gonna peel off my freaking nails first before I'm able to take this apart. what I'll be using is the backpack and the shoulders, which I've already added some details on there. I drilled some holes to give that kind of, what do you call that? Like it's trying to release heat, so it's like a vent right there, especially on the left side, which where is it? Especially on the left side. I did it on the left side because I'm giving that effect that since it's using the shield on the left side, it's gonna use more power, so I put more details, special details on the left side right here, so that, you know, I'm just trying to tell that kind of story at least. But I'm probably not gonna be able to enter this on the build off anyways, because I'm fucking, oh sorry, I'm too slow when it comes to building kits. Like, you know, I'm just slow. And work always takes me out when it comes to doing these things here. But I'm halfway there. I've primed some parts. I'm already almost done with the details on the arms. I started working on the arms. I just got the legs and the backpack left to do, and the shield. Probably gonna be later when I do that shield, but that's what I'm working on right now. I bought my first SD kit, the Neo Xeon, right there. It looks pretty big for an SD kit. I don't know why. I don't know. It's huge, but it's cool. So I'm probably gonna be working on this soon, but not right away. But I might do maybe like a semi review of the kit. Whoops. If I don't find like a good review about it. But that's what it roughly looks like when you just build it right there. It looks giant for an SD kit, but we'll see. Right there, it looks pretty cool. So maybe a review, probably not. We'll see what kind of reviews are out there. At least I'll do a quick review of the kit. You know what I'm saying? So I'll put that out. And, I started watching I'm a slime. What's it called? Slime in another world. I think it's what. Well, let me look it up. The time I got reincarnated as a slime, I was on a 2-week vacation, so I marathoned the hell out of it, and I'm now caught up with the anime. It's a very good anime in my opinion. So if you guys are into funny MMO type anime like Sword Art Online or something, that time I got reincarnated as slime, pretty good watch in my opinion. And also I bought a $30 paint airbrush. Hold on, let me come back and show this to you. So I bought this airbrush. I'm probably gonna use this mainly for top coating. I bought this at Amazon for like $30. I'm gonna try it out eventually. I can't even open it. Hold up. Oh crap! I broke it. Oh well. But this is what it looks like. It's a master airbrush. It comes with, I believe, 0.5, 0.3, and 0.2 millimeter needles right here. They're interchangeable. You have to change the nozzle and the needle every time if you're gonna use it. But I'm probably just gonna use the 0.2 on these because my Iwata airbrush, which I don't know if people could see this. This is a 0.3, so I will never switch to 0.3 on this airbrush right here. So mainly I'm gonna be using this for top coating, and hopefully it works out for me. But about that, what else? Oh, I was watching some of my early videos. You know, I'm getting into trying to improve the video quality, not necessarily the way I edit videos. It's more like what it looks like. So I am filming this in 30 frames per second. Usually I would I would record everything at 24 frames per second. I'm just learning all this jargon about video cinematography, recording stuff, and you know, it's pretty good. I gotta hydrate. But right now I'm getting into color grading, and the fruits of my labor showed up when it comes to studying how to video grade, color grade on my last video with the Turn X custom. That one, if you notice, I have uploaded that twice because the first time I uploaded it, it looked like crap. It's too bright, it's too white. That's why I took it down, and then I re-uploaded it. But you know, thank you for watching that video, by the way. That video actually did pretty good for what it is, and you know, it's pretty good. I like how that video turned out once I re-uploaded it again. So what I also want to start doing is read comments, you know, for the people who watch my videos. So we're gonna start right now here. First one from Old School Skill. Love the concept, looks amazing. This is from my Turn X, by the way. Love the panel lines. Thank you, Old School Skill. I appreciate that. I really worked not so hard on it because it was very random. If you notice, from now on, I'm starting to like asymmetrical builds. So, I mean, that's just my thing now, in my opinion. I just don't like it all uniform, symmetrical and stuff. That's too much work. You gotta measure stuff to make it all even from on the left side and the same on the right side. It's not for me. So asymmetrical, plus they look cool, by the way, in my opinion. So paint wise too, when I paint it, it's not gonna look uniform majority of the time, except for when I'm competing, which is with this GM custom. It's probably gonna be symmetrical, kind of, maybe. So thank you, Old School Skill, for that comment. Crimson Nimbus, nicely done. Thank you. I appreciate that. You're the best. Thank you for the comment. All right. So on the next comment that I got, I think that's all I have. Oh, Zach Brown. Good job, bro. Good job. Love the colors. You used that purplish frame with the white armor and red highlights. Looks so damn good on this MS. Thank you. I appreciate that compliment. You know, I'm just saying, I stumbled onto something cool color-wise. It's probably not new. Somebody have probably already tried this color scheme. I'm just, you know, I'm not the first one that did it. I didn't copy it from anything. I was just thinking about vampires and stuff. But, you know, I appreciate that. The purplish armors, like I said, from that color shift paint from Vallejo. Oh, I bought like online. I bought a green stuff world. I bought another color shift. I'm into color shifting paints. I like that stuff. And I went to green stuff world. I believe that's the company that's called. I ordered some online to try out that color shift paint that they got. So I'm gonna put that on my next build, maybe. We'll see. But Zach Brown, thank you for the comment. Appreciate that. And yeah, so 3 comments. That's pretty good, right? We're getting pretty good here. And that's it. Okay, so until then, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like. And everybody stay safe, okay? Bye-bye.